Do your moon photos always turn out disappointing? Here are 7 big mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1, relying on auto mode. When you point your camera at the moon, auto settings treat it like a dark night scene and completely overexpose it. That's why your photo looks like a glowing white circle with no detail. Instead, use manual mode. Start with ISO 100, aperture f8, and shutter speed around 125, then adjust from there. Mistake number 2, skipping the tripod. Even a tiny shake in your hands will blur the details. The moon might look bright, but zooming in magnifies every vibration. A stable tripod, or even resting your camera on a solid surface, instantly makes your shots sharper. Mistake number 3, trusting autofocus. Autofocus often gets confused by the brightness of the moon and leaves your image slightly soft. Switch to manual focus and slowly adjust until craters and edges look crisp in live view. Mistake number 4, shooting through glass or indoors. Windows, even when clean, distort light and add reflections. Many beginners try from their living room and wonder why it looks hazy. Always step outside to get the clearest shot. Mistake number 5, using the wrong lens. A wide lens makes the moon look tiny, like a small dot in the sky. Beginners often get frustrated here. Use at least a 200mm telephoto lens or more. Even budget zoom lenses will capture much more detail than a kit lens. Mistake number 6, ignoring the weather and atmosphere. Humidity, haze, and thin clouds blur the image, even if you can still see the moon. Shooting right after sunset or before sunrise, when the moon is higher, often gives sharper results. Always check the weather and air quality before heading out. Mistake number 7, skipping post-processing. A raw photo of the moon usually looks flat and gray. Many beginners stop here and feel disappointed. With just a little contrast, sharpening, and clarity adjustment in Lightroom or any free editing app, your moon suddenly pops with texture and depth. And here's a bonus tip. Don't just photograph the full moon. A half moon or crescent shows dramatic shadows on the craters, often making for much more interesting photos. So remember, manual mode, stable tripod, manual focus, clear skies, and a little editing. Avoid these mistakes, and your moonshots will instantly look more professional, even if you're a beginner. Now grab your camera, head outside tonight, and try it yourself. You'll be amazed at the difference.